people who don't have health insurance.
Say hello to my new friend. So,
Step by step.
today I went out and bought the actual 50-gallon, and here you have it. I'm just doing the water test. That's part of that water, and tried to retain a little bit of the water from the other tank in buckets in 10 gallons so that I don't have such a long layover. The original tank's sitting over here, partial water in it, you know, just like a little bit, and gravel. I'll get that. Went ahead and supported up the plants. Right now I got about 20 gallons in it. It's been holding well for the last while. Shit, what is that?
They wouldn't have to lay out teachers and cops and firefighters, and that all supported maintaining the job.
Okay, good. Yeah, it seems to be holding just fine. I'm seeing no signs of leakage at all. Nothing's coming out that I can detect anywhere or see anywhere. What I did is I took the same speakers I had, if you can see, they're just little standing speakers right there, and I put laps of board on it along here and along this edge, so I created a little bit of a lip. You can see just a hair of a lip, and I went all the way around with that, screwing it into those, and tank's sitting on that now. As you can see, there's the screws right there underneath. I don't know if you can actually see that or not. If you can see it, it's right at the tip of my finger. So I just wanted to give you guys an update what I got going on. Still got the other one for sale. It's way over there. Obama's on the TV. I'm trying to get this all done before the Super Bowl, so wish me luck here. Here we go.